with a shuffle step. Shuffle step. We've transferred weight onto our whole flat foot, nice bent knee. Then we're going to do something called a drag. So a drag involves straightening your knee and scooching your body a little bit back, but you could also think about up, because you want to stay upright, sort of like a string is connecting you to the sky or the ceiling. Drag. 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 From the side. Shuffle, step, drag. Shuffle, step, drag. So we're staying connected for the most part to the floor. We're not like jumping in the air. So let's try more of the bam bam. After shuffle, step, drag, we're gonna then step, step, another drag, step, step. So it looks like this. Shuffle, step, drag, step, step, drag, step, step. Let's head back to the studio now to practice some bam bams. 5, 6, ready, go. Shuffle, step, drag, step, step, drag, step, step. Shuffle, step, drag, step, step, drag, step, step. To the side, it looks like, ready, go. Shuffle, step, drag, step, step, drag, step, step. Drag, step, step, drag, step, step. Faster, 5, 6, ready, go. Shuffle, step, drag, step, step, drag, step, step.